Okay. We are live, I hope. I'm gonna check all of the channels that it says that I'm live, because one time it did not. I went to the wrong place.
You are live on YouTube.
Yeah, and Twitch is loading until tomorrow. That's crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once.
I am crazy.
You are crazy? I was crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
Then I died.
By the way, guys.
Yeah. Hello, Sir
Yes.
Bozo.
But I think it won't make a difference.
What won't?
But if dynamic rendering, right? You can either have it as an extension or it's inbuilt. So for the structure and the enum, there's a KHR for extension, and there's a no KHR. No, wait, there's not, but there's a no KHR. Nah, okay, I guess I will just use KHR. Nah, all good.
The scene takes a while to load, but yeah, this is what there is at the moment. Not a very good. So I have to check why these things happen. Command buffer, expected image, sub aspect mask, VK aspect, color bit. And that's in this. Okay, maybe descriptor type with equal to. Wait. The Vulkan spec states if a descriptor with type equal to any descriptor type sample weight image descriptor type block match image descriptor type sample image descriptor type storage image or VK type input attachment is accessed as a result of this command, all images sub-resources identified by the descriptor must be in the image layout identified when the descriptor has written. Okay. Oh, actually this is what I prefer to have. Drawing commands. Draw. Oh. Okay. Is it with equal of any sample storage or VK is accessed as a result of this command, all image sub-resources identified by the descriptor must be in the image layout identified when the descriptor was written. Have I just done something? In the wrong order. Did my Discord die again? No, good. I just hear myself through a T-Chef, so we're chilling.
No, T-Chef, that's good.
Yeah.
Nah,
We should have made him go
new
schizo.
mic, new headset.
But where do I... Here I did it right. I left it there. Intentionally. I mean... I don't have to do it like this. I could directly just... Yeah, I could do it like that. I don't know why I did it like this. That should work the same way. Except for that I still have the error, but that's okay. Hmm. Okay. And then material, new material. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Wait. Is this correct? Then the image updates.
Good old Minecraft music.
Ooh. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yes, you.
Thank you. Woo. I mean, should think. Well, no, I put that in the wrong other place. Ah, you scared me. Wait. Hum tears, not cool.
What?
They said boo.
I'm so
Yeah.
scared.
Yeah. This thing that I'm trying to find. Let's see, chapter 5. Yeah, there. Because I think I should have implemented the same way that they did it. Let's see, create the materials here, push back new material. And then here, yeah, write material, engine material rough.
That is wrong.
Don't need that. Close that as well. Write material, let's see, can I find the actual implementation here? Because I should be doing the same thing and then update sets. Yeah, the writer update sets.
Guys, I got the Discord bot to have commands.
No way. What does it do? What does it have?
Damn.
Nothing. If you type logo gab to it, it will just say pong.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, it's very crazy.
All of that should be still the same. I think pretty much if I just were to ignore.
I'll be back, I just got to reload.
Alright.
What did he say?
He got to reload something, so he'll be right back. Ah, yeah, he has to close Discord and reopen it.
Alright, I'm back.
He's back.
Fire. Yeah.
Reload the shit, you know.
And then I can
For some reason it doesn't work.
just say from 0 to 0. So this one should not have any errors. If it does, then we have some other issues. Oh wow, yeah, it's perfect. Uh-huh. So that's nice. Yeah, don't worry about that. Anyways. So, what could go wrong here? Because obviously it's something just me passing... Fake items... Command line... Continue from here. Yeah, it's done. Wait, why do I... No, it's supposed to be both of them because... Wait, hold on. One of them shouldn't be... Or is this right? I feel like now I'm starting to do something, I'm not sure. Let's see, draw. Oh, there's so many of them. Geometry, I think it's called. Chapter 5. Bake draws, reserve, size. Is visible? Well, with that I don't what? Push back. And then they sort it. Okay, great. Get current frame. Okay, interesting. Okay, here anyways, this is the same that I got. Okay, this is not the same. Am I in the right chapter? I am. Well, let's go to chapter 4, maybe it's more appropriate. Or well, also in this tutorial they have others like issues because yeah, that I had fixed later on. So maybe I should just ignore it for now and let it be, and then we'll fix it later down the line. I think I will go with that instead because right now I'm feeling so stagnant. Okay, one thing I could quickly do actually. I don't think it will give me any better results, but quickly just ask AI for where the issue could be, because I think either I'm looking in the completely wrong spot, and then this is kind of pointless for me to just look around. If it's something very, very simple. Let's see if we can probably do this output as well so we can understand where we're coming from. Wow, that's some crazy reloading there. If it's not gonna work, then it's just wow. Okay, it does work crazy. And it did not even copy anything. Great. So we can take this and let's see. I'm also passing the GLTF. Maybe it's something common that many people that are new to GLTF do. So let's see. The evaluationer means you're sampling an image that is still undefined, but your descriptor has written expecting layout shader read only optimal. So you uploaded create the texture but never transitioned it to shader readable layout, or you did it for the different image wrong sub resource. What to do in order? Right after you finished writing the texture data. Okay, typically after copy command buffer image, insert image memory barrier that transition undefined for transfer destination shader read only optimal. Make sure the barrier covers the correct sub resource, aspect mask, color bit, layer count. Ensure that the barrier is recorded into the same command buffer does. Okay, but that should be the case. Copy or at least a guaranteed execute. But I was thinking about if it was this before draw, but it shouldn't be because I feel like it is in the right order. Wait. When you call VK update descriptor sets for the combined image sampler set, image layout, the two barrier standard upload sequence. If you do staging buffer image barrier A undefined destination copy, and then barrier 2 transfer shader read only. Correct barrier values core value core Vulkan 1.3 by using VK pipeline barrier 2. Yeah, but I do the copyright. Ooh. No. So I do all of this too, and I should have just before the drawing here copy, and I do the transitions here also. I start the swap chain. I have like my own struct for it, a namespace, which I just take. But then again, it's the draw image barrier, right? But okay, wait. Because the swap chain is the one I want to copy into. What else do I want to do here? Like, So you upload a create texture but never transition the shader readable. Right after you finish writing the texture data, typically after, insert an image barrier that transitions undefined or transfer destination optimal, shader read optimal. So, but why would I make sure the barrier? Why would I do that? Sounds like an unnecessary transition to do in between here. Because I do have the layout transfer optimal, and then I do this thing. And then I'm supposed to... Ah! Yes. Transition. vk.c dot vk image. Oops. Image layout transfer. No wait, the read what transfer shader? Shader read stage. Wait, that's shader only. I don't think. Okay, maybe I just should look into this thing. Let's see, what does it say? VK image layout. VK image layout shader read only optimal. Okay, I was like, this is starting to look weird. Layout. Okay, I can type image layout. Where's my other layout? Read only optimal. Alright. And then stage flags, access flags. What do I need for the... Oh my god, I hate this. Why does it have to jump all the time? Okay, whatever. vk.c dot vk pipe stage, and I don't know why I would do this. It feels so odd. Do you have anything with... What should I do with this thing, the stage? Do I have to do also those things? Split, no. Clear, command, process, compute. Read only. Wait. For copy. Pipeline stage, pipeline. Transfer bit optimal, yeah. Access to alt, yes. I think it's complaining about the drawing image barrier, not the swap chain, since the thing getting sampled. So this one, but why would... I feel like am I not done with it now at this point? Like, why would I? Because now I've copied it over to this one. It looks like the draw image is transferred source, but isn't being used as a copy, instead as a texture read. It's in transfer source, but isn't being used as a copy, instead as a texture read. I need to read more on these transitions. I still don't really understand them fully. I'm just trying to figure them out as I go. But what? Wait, it looks like the draw image is in transfer source, but isn't being used as a copy, instead as a texture read. What? Wait, but no. I do copy with this one here. But could it be that I just... No? Or a blit, but blit region, blit image too. How do you implement your copy? Using copy image or just blit? I should probably rename the function to actually be called blit then, instead of copy image to image. I think I just I don't remember what they called it, but yeah. Like, because I get the here submit command buffer the expected Vulkan sub resource aspect image aspect color bit need to have array layer 0 to be in layout VK image layout shader read only optimal. Instead, current layer layout is VK image layout undefined. But it shouldn't be. I don't understand why it would be undefined, because I already have it. I need this one. What? Something has happened here? Ah, yeah. No. It renamed it in both places. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it did that. Anyways, in here, because this one shouldn't be undefined because I've done transition, and this one has also done a transition. So I only have it on init. I don't know. It's probably not the best, but it's literally just a structure, and then I just keep track of the previous stages and access, and then I just say transition from one to the next one, and then I have always access to the old. Basically. I don't know if it's a good way, but that has worked so far for me. But yeah, and then yeah, because I do have it to be undefined here, right, in the beginning, and then it would make sense. But I don't feel like after I have done the transition, called it once, neither of these should be able to have or be able to be in the what's it called, undefined state. And I don't have any other barriers going on. Like, I just used the same one throughout the whole thing, I think. So it's kind of interesting. Draw image barrier is literally a depth image barrier, I guess I have also, but yeah. you submit a memo Vulkan expect image sub resource aspect image aspect color bit. You layout shader only of read only. Instead, the current layout is VK layout undefined. Yeah, that one is the one I don't understand. I think that's the issue. I don't usually use blit, but it might need the texture to not be in transfer source. Huh. Because it's kind of like it says that its current layout is Vulkan undefined. I mean, unless if it does something else, but that I don't think it should be doing, so I don't understand how it would be undefined. We could actually go and see, why is this one now, this one should also be renamed. Oops. I think it's lying to me. Anyways. We can go in here real quick and just see. Let's see, draw geometry is what I'm trying to find here. Because it's basically the same thing that I'm doing. Opaque and transparent. I haven't even gotten that far. Donkey, you dead. Oh shit. Let me just restart Discord real quick. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Hello? I don't know what's up with this.
Was alright.
Okay, good. I don't know what's up with Discord. I think Discord has something against me today, alright?
Bro, you've been dead for like 30 minutes. We've just been sitting here waiting.
Damn.
You never thought it was weird that no one of us said anything? Damn.
Great image. Wait, where's the actual, like... Okay, here, copy to... Okay, Vulkan command... Okay, wait, would they use the copy? Wait, no, I swear they were using... the... Oh, wait, no, this is create image. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong function. Don't worry about it. Immediate submit. What is this one? Upload mesh. No. Vulkan engine immediate submit. Destroy image. Okay, let's see. I need to find submit. I think they're using submit. And this is gonna take forever looking like this. Okay, let's see. Not there. Yeah, the undefined is very sussy. You can try render docking it to see what state they end up in. Oh, yeah, that's true. Let's see, load that. Oh, it also started. Was not expecting it to start though, but yeah. Oh yeah, there's a small issue though with, because this runs in actual like X11 and not Wayland, so there might be a slight different behavior, but yeah. Let's see. The message about Blit, I'm not too sure about it, but the issue does seem somewhere else. Yeah, I don't know, wait, let's see. Let's see, submit. Like, how could I haven't actually used it for seeing these kind of things. I just use it to inspect meshes, usually, or textures. I haven't used it to see these things. Maybe a barrier somewhere else in one of the helper functions? Ooh. But I do use them only in the immediate, actually. But I tried to not draw anything, right? I still have something wrong with my rotation. Whoa, what happened? That's crazy. Don't worry about it. It's something flipped. I tried to not draw the GLTF thingy, and then I didn't get any errors. So it's definitely something in when I do call the drawing. Don't worry about that. Like it only happens if. Let's see. Why is there an error? Yeah. Okay. If that should. This is still just for basic testing with my own thing, but here, if I don't do any of these things, it's fine. But as soon as I do proceed with this, I have problems. So, I mean, what if I were to just quickly... Oops, why did you do that? Let's see. That part, like so. If I were to do that real quick, I wanna try. I'm just gonna see what am I thinking. And then do that real quick. And then we'll let it be for a minute. Yeah. Like so. Now this should actually be, I think it will be pretty fucked, but we'll see. Yeah, it's fucked, but it's also worse than fucked. Yeah, I just wanted to check that wouldn't have been the issue. I don't know why this would be an issue, but but yeah, it's only as soon as this thing happens, it has problems. Push constants. Bind pipeline, maybe? No. Is it just I'm giving it the wrong information to the layout? Hold on. Maybe I am. Hey, hold on. Am I giving the wrong layout? No, this is no. This should be fine. This or no. Global descriptor set. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine with the sets. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. This is still the same. Wrong assets. Actually, I could open this one first, but... So this is like the scene data, and then there's the material thingy. But wait... Is this the right one? This should be... yeah, the right one. Yeah, it is. The render doctor is in. The render doctor. But yeah, okay, anyways, let's see. Am I in the right spot with this here right now? Because I haven't used this one like more than just going to the mesh viewer and texture pipeline. Wait, where was it? This one I also think I have messed around a bit in, but not texture here. But more mesh and texture is basically the only two I have been messing around with. I haven't used any of the other ones. Submit. That's a lot of... Okay. This is for each of those. Crazy. Anyways. and rendering, and then here's the blit. I mean, is it just... I swear to God they were using blit and I just copied them, but maybe they have been using copy. Really? That would be crazy because I don't remember them using copy at all. See, graphics pipeline, window resizing, blending, mesh, loading. I'm assuming it's probably here. No? Wrong? Crazy. Where's the one where they do the... Here, okay.
Okay, guys, I think I will eat now,
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
and then I will be back later.
Okay, okay.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Okay, see ya.
See ya, bye bye.
See ya.
Is it only complaining about the descriptor or about actual resources? Well, maybe it's just descriptor set layout that's mismatch. Oh, could it actually be? Wait, one thing actually, which is could be also this. Let's see. It could be in with this thing. If I go to the image, alright? Because create image, that should be equivalent to my... This is what this is not image. Image, that one. I don't know. Okay. That should be equal to my init. I think. Or is it upload data to image? Okay, it's upload data to image. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I have it in a different... Damn. I split it up differently. Because I didn't like their way of doing it. I should... When I follow tutorials, probably should do it the same way they do things, but I don't like the way they do things, so... Alright, let's see. It might be because of this. Right. Oh no. Yeah. New image is create image, you pass the data. Once you select your copy, it should show you all the various calls in the API inspector. Wait, I still want to see that. Wait, once I select my copy, or in this case my blit, right? Copy it should show you in the API inspector. Or what? Or does it work with... Does it work with blit or like, wait, where is this inspector? Ah. This is the API inspector, yeah. Okay, but wait, here, yeah, there are the barriers before, but I don't see the barriers after. But I think it's still in, as you said, it's not this one that's the issue. It is because how I create the image, I have a separate call. Like, first I initialize the image structure, which is just this Vulkan memory, but I don't upload data to the image yet. That is a separate call that I have. But they have this thing to be both of these. It has, or well, it's just actually just create, but that's the self. Yeah, it's the self that I have to do these things. And then it, oh no, so that's why, I think that's why. I was like, what would you have separate for these things? You probably would need. But I guess if you were to... You take in... Where do you store this information? I mean, destination is just self-image. I guess they just have it to create an image. Another way of creating image. Yeah. But I have it also like this. I don't know if I'm doing it stupidly now. Oh no, they do call create image inside of create image, which does it the same way. They just have it so it's like that. Okay, now I remember. I have them as separate calls. I have the init of the image, and then you can still upload data to the image. Oh, that's why everything is fucked also. Why do I not just have it in the init? That I don't know now. Yeah, as I said, I'm gonna also fix a lot of these things as I go. But that makes sense now. Okay. I think we figured it out. Maybe we did figure it out. Let's see. So, let's see. Materials. That's just the right. Where do I have the? Because they go through each of these ones here. Load image. But that's before the right. That's still wrong though. I have to see in which order because I have it here, right? It just. And let's see. Try just call it just a bit weird. Yeah. So it's still in this, but can it be in this thing? Yeah, it can be. We might have to make it into a var. Stack image. Upload data to image. And now here, we'll have to pass in a bit more. The data, image size, and this. But that I have already passed in, so yeah, I can pass a little bit less. I just need to give it the data, which should maybe be the first parameter, but that's okay. Yeah, okay. And what is the data in this case? The data is the load, STTPI load. Maybe I shouldn't have made it into separate functions, brother. Whatever. It's okay. The device and then the allocator. Just the VMA allocator, yeah. So device, do have, and then the VMA, I do have VMA. And then just handle, and then I should actually just pass in the normal structure, but I don't. And then just data pixels. Nothing else, just that. Are you still making your VR game in Scratch? In Scratch? No, I'm not. I never was making it Scratch. I'm not gonna make it in Scratch. I usually have a couple of inits as well, depending on usage, like create render target, create shader resource. Oh, yeah, but I think I just need to become a little bit more explicit or clear about it, and maybe even like, so you couldn't do this kind of mistake and just run into it, right? You kind of like yeah, I think it maybe comes with time. Like, I'm still very novice to Vulkan, generally speaking. Like, I still feel like there's still a lot to learn. And also just my way of programming. But I think stuff like this usually pops up when I couple the state transition in those functions, but I don't have better idea at the moment. Yeah. Well, I don't know where whoopsie daisy. I call this stack image because of a dumb thing I used to do in this thing. Maybe I could actually rename it quite easily. I will probably do that while I'm at it, you know. I will just do this, rename it, and I will just call it out image instead. I think I can call it out image. Yes, and I do it in both places. Damn it. So rename that and out image, perfect. And then we got these two, and I will just select them both and then we'll go to home and then bit forward and then I will do try and then we'll save that. And we should, let's see how this goes. Worst case scenario, the whole stream crashes, right? Damn. Let's see, let's see. I think it's just the pixel data that I'm passing through that is wrong. Let's see. Unreachable. Yeah. Generic function initiated here as bytes. And it doesn't really say, but I already know as bytes data. I just know it's from this. There. Or it should be that. I'm pretty sure. Data size. Yeah, data. Their data is. I forgot that I make my parameters that comes in are as pink. So it should be pretty easy to see that, you know. Yeah. Anyways. So I'm probably just passing in the wrong thing here. Like, what are these things? It's just a U8 pointer. I think that should be fine then. Data, any type, that's fine because I just asked bytes. I think that should be fine, but yet it does not. Image, yeah, it's also, oh wait, it did say 84 on image. Yeah, okay, whoops, I should have probably just read. No generic function instantiated here. Oh wait, but I did not say that any type could be a pointer. I'm telling it to be, oh no. Oh no. Well, either I change it to a pointer, but then it should have complained actually. Wait, hold on. This is weird. I'm gonna just close these two, because it's annoying. I'm going back and forth between them. Yeah. Because pixels... How the hell was I thinking this now? Because that's... yeah, that doesn't really make sense. I think I can change this to a pointer easily. That's the easier way to go about. Any type? Or wait, is any type? Expected type extractor found sig extra found any type. What? Or should I make it any opaque instead? Do we have Mr. Harold here with us?
Mm-hmm.
Can I make a pointer of any type, or is any type always a pointer?
You can make an any type pointer because any type is just any type, and pointer is a type, kinda.
Oh wait, no, again, but wait. So any type.
So the
because I need to take
any kind of type.
Yeah, but I need to take in like data, and then I'm doing the mem copy of the data.
Yeah.
And this is supposed to be like be able to. Whoa, where did I go? Anyways, it's supposed to be able to take in that and just or whatever that data is, just copy it over to the mapped data over here. And the thing is that I don't understand now because I'm getting this thing, right? Generic function instantiated here. How do I read that? Because doesn't it accept?
You're trying to. Well, I really don't know. Any type is really weird, and I don't know what's going on here in this code base. But all you have to know is that any type is the pointer, and you can do like type in the phone, and you can check if it is a pointer, and you can compile error if it's not a pointer.
Or am I just... Okay, wait. There's also go to ref. No results found, LSP references. Oh, come on, you're kidding. Okay, I know where I used it though. But that's annoying that I cannot... I think I went too far. There. Init, and their upload here is another one. But here I pass, yeah, here I just pass the data as, I take the pointer of the data and then I pass that, it's literally just U32, 32. And this data is literally just a, well, it's U8, a C pointer. Is it because it's a C pointer that I might have issues? I don't know. Should I convert it before? Should I always just... I don't want to convert before I give. I want to be able to just pass any kind of shit in here and you should always just be able to do this, but apparently it doesn't like. What if I just did this on that one too? What if I just went... Just gonna test real quick. Add as... Then I cast it also to a U, but it's all, well, whatever. I'm gonna cast it again back to a U8, even though this one is in this case a U8, and then pointer cast. Yeah, it should be the same thing, but let's see. Pointer cast data, and then I will take this. That should be the equivalent of that. Let me just see, what does this thing even do? Pointer cast aligned. Oh. Maybe it's not the same. Return byte as return type. Type on time. Okay, maybe it's not. Okay. Maybe that's why actually I'm having a slight issue there. That could be. So let's not do that. And let's see, but that should still be the same now. Yep. Okay, oh wow, oh wow. Okay. Oh, guys! It's just wrong, but it's better. It's wrong, but better.
Yo, crazy.
Ah, my camera rotation, no! Yeah, I'd assumed that as bytes just gives you an U8 array. Yeah. Like, maybe I should actually... I'm not 100% though on the... I don't know how it chooses, because it's okay. It says pointer cast and align cast. That's a scary one, but it makes sense probably. But as byte returns, and this thing... I don't know, how does it determine what it should... Harold, do you know, this is some meta programming, right? So...
Yeah.
How
you
does...
can check it out, it's very easy.
How does this one know what it
like
should...
It returns like yeah, okay. So we can go through it here. So it gets the type, okay. The answer type, return type, okay. Yeah. The meta programming function that is using the return.
Oh wait, so wait, type, so it passes, but wait, what does this as bytes then really do? Because isn't it taking the type of the pointer and reusing?
Yeah, but what you want to do is 2 bytes, not as bytes.
There's a 2 bytes? Because this is what I did, right? What? Okay, so it's just doing some...
Well,
okay.
actually, I'm not sure it's that what you want, but maybe. I don't know. But that copies it also might be good to know.
2 bytes. Given any value, returns a copy of its bytes in... what? In an array. Copy. So wait, what does this mean? Okay, so this one does do... Yeah. Fucked by... Try. Fucked by drawing. Yes. What? But now we should... okay, this one might be a bit more correct though. Size of type, but returns a copy. I don't think... How would it do that? Because it doesn't seem to do... Yeah, okay.
Well,
and now... Okay.
The thing you got to know is you can return like arrays
Mm.
that are stack memory in return values if you know the length of them, okay? Because it's basically like a structure. You know, it's just a bunch of bytes. You know,
Mm.
but you can do indexing and whatever. Yeah, so that it knows the amount of bytes that it is. So yeah, it can copy it because of that, and it can also return it, and you don't need to pass in a buffer or something.
So it just uses stack memory, or does it use the same memory, just
Yeah.
reinterpret it?
Nah, it like at meta programming time or whatever, at compile time, it says like, okay, this structure is 10 bytes big. Okay, so we're gonna have this array here that's gonna be 10 bytes, and we're gonna have that as the return type. And because the return type is assigned to something, we know that memory is there and whatever. So yeah, it can be stack memory.
Okay. Well, let's see. I'm gonna try this one now. So if I do 2 bytes, and that's a convenient actual one if that one works. Oh.
It might be weird because it doesn't really care
no.
about endians or something.
No, wait.
Like you don't specify it.
Error return context. 65 additional stack frames skipped. Yeah. Okay, wait, it didn't work for this one. Is it just because... No, I need to provide it. Or should I slice it even? Should I not? I think I should. Should I just do that? That's stupid. That doesn't make any sense.
Ask AI, bro.
Yeah, it's not an indexable pointer. Yeah, okay. I don't know. But the just normal telling it what to do works. I'm gonna go with that. Meaning... What am I trying to do? There. This thing. So I'm not doing this one. This one is fine. Pointer casting... Yeah. Just a few pipeline barrier stuff wrong, but besides that, it's pretty good. Let's see what we can do get from these things. So, VK command pipeline barrier, P image barriers new layout, image layout transfer destination optimum is not compatible with VK image usage flag, VK image use sample bit. Should I make... okay. The Vulkan spec states if source queue family index and destination queue family define a queue family ownership transfer for old layout and new layout define an image layout transition an old layout or new layout Vulkan transfer optimum, then image must be being created with VK image transfer destination bit. Copy, and then this thing copy buffer image was created with VK. Okay, but sample bit transfer must have been created with usage. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now we're just yeah. Copy image destination was created with VK use sample bit, but requires VK usage transfer. But that should be the same as these ones. So upload data to image. That should still be fine. Begin immediate command. And then this is just, I think I have, oh, I don't. Should I not actually wait for the whole device in these cases? But I use fences, okay. Yeah. And then begin command buffer and then end immediate command. That shouldn't be a problem. I think that one is fine, but it's the transition. VK image layout transition, transfer destination, pipeline stage, transfer bit, access memory bit right. Copy to command buffer or copy buffer to image. Copy to command buffer. Transition and then reach or optimal end. Okay. So it's another one of these. P image barriers and pipeline barriers. New layout. VK image layout transfer Okay, now this is one of the reasons where I like to actually have again another terminal. Oops, not like that. Like this. And I can't do it. Bam. And then we kill it immediately when it's up. Bam. Then I can do that. And then I fucked up. Then we do this, then we do that, and then we do this once. Sorry. And now I can read this thing and try to think about it. So in here, think you have to change the create image code again for use transfer destination. You mean... Do they do anything? Well, it should be fine. Create image. Let's see. Wait, create image. VK image use sample bit. What game are you developing? Hello, Samantan Mandal. I hope I pronounced it correctly. It's just a I wanna make like kind of a Risk of Rain kind of style. But visit Lucas' coffee shop page. Oh damn, sorry. I didn't know I had a bot that did that, guys. I'm activating stuff, but I don't know what they activate. It's only the Twitch chat that saw this weird thing coming up. That one was not intentional. The little support down there in the corner is intentional. Think you have changed the create image. Okay, wait, let me see. But I don't know if that. I hope that's a good enough answer for you. It's literally I just want to make a simple low poly Risk of Rain kind of style. Was this strategy based? Was that a strategy based game? No, it's a first person kind of shooter PvE kind of game. It's also gonna be multiplayer, so it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna fuck up a lot more. But yeah, I enjoy it. Let's see, create image. I would like to make a strategy game also. Like that's kind of also on my want to do list. I really love strategy games. They are like the best. I guess you're also working on Unreal. I don't do anything in Unreal. I used to. Not anymore. I saw another create image in the CPP that had usage sample. I think. Oh wait. Wait. I'm trying to read their code right now with that. I used to do stuff in Unreal, but not anymore. I'm just completely trying to focus on making my own engine and stuff. I should actually just read a lot more about Vulkan, but I'm kind of like reading just about engines. Which is maybe not the right thing to do right now, but yeah, you know. Wait, here. No. Is it this one? Because okay, wait. You said in here if you go back. Oh Jesus Christ. Yeah, was it this thing? VK image use sample bit, transfer bit. Wait. But they do also have for this one. You go in here, right? Usage sample bit. I think I do that though, but it's not that one I'm trying to find. It's usage sample bit format. No, wait, it's only sample bit. How? What the hell? Okay, wait. Let me check that real quick. No. No. Okay, but maybe it's let's see. There is no wait usage transfer bit. No. I wonder though, is it like copy buffer to image, right? So it can only happen in here, right? There's no other place where I have this thing copy buffer to image, right? So it has to be one of these places where I do something very pathetic, and it might. How do you design the graphic stuff? What do you mean by designing the graphic stuff? I should probably also update the top image because that's not what we have right now as current progress. Well, that's just me displaying hot reloading. I changed the textures. You see, it's like from a pink and black cube to a pink and white cube. Didn't even have to close the application, just change the code and compile and it updated. It was crazy. Anyways. But let's see. I mean, am I just missing something? No, I'm asking the visual graphics for your game. Wait. Do you mean just like textures and models? You don't mean how do I program them into the game? You're just asking like how do I create them? Like what tools do I use or how do I come up with ideas? How are you going to build that? Okay, do you mean the code that will put them in place, or do you mean the actual creation of the texture? But is it maybe just source queue family index and the stdq define queue family ownership? Am I just doing something? Am I having the right family queue index? It could be. Let's actually this time we're gonna provide it to the GPT and see, and it's probably gonna tell me that it's the wrong queue family, and then that would be funny. Yep, now the validation is telling you the real underlying bug. You're trying to transition an image into VK image layout transfer destination optimal, but the image was not created with VK image usage transfer destination. It only has... oh wait, could it be... When you create your texture VK image, include transfer destination in usage. Stop posting links. Oh. Thank you. Okay, create rip, but I think you can still... Yeah, I can see, thank you. Let's see, usage flags, okay. But isn't this the same that I have open here? No? It is the same. But anyways, let's see. They have the temp image in create image that has transfer destination flag. Yeah. Okay, they do. Okay. Wait, I think I might know another reason why this like also fails. I just want to be sure about what I'm doing, okay? To some extent at least. Because here this no, I do create the image here like this. And then oh, yeah, I think okay. Let's see. So it could be also, let's do this, and then we can go with this one to here. Now, to there, all right? So I create the image here. Let's see. Should I maybe add that extra so it's a bit easier to read? This is hard. Like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All good. I doubt me randomly back seating helps and learning. No, it does, because you're still like helping me trying to connect a bit of the dots, right? It's really useful actually and helpful. I at least I feel it. But let's see. Yeah, because you can see here. Okay. Yeah. I didn't in here usage flags, right? I just said usage sample bit, but I also have transfer destination, and that this is also from the same source, right? But now I wonder, usage transfer destination bit. Do you actually need usage transfer source bit? And why do they not do it in there? Did they just make it usage sample bit here? That's all they do for their thing. Or can I not just see that? Yeah, that's all they do. I think probably they have it to be a default in their create image. I mean, I'm just trying to figure also out a little bit, like, let's see. Here. Create image, that's just a call. I want the actual method. Create image usage here. Let's see, do they append in any information about the usage, or do they just... No, that seems to be it. Huh. Well, I mean, let's take this. Yank that, and we'll go in here and just add it. Why did you take the whole line? That's not... Okay, I'm gonna use the commands instead, that's easier. Yank that. And then we're gonna down here, we're gonna do
Because
that.
you know, with the previous bot, whenever it doesn't like respond fast enough, it just crashes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, on this new one, it doesn't happen. It just continues on, it does not care.
Okay. Since that version you used to init an image with some data from the CPU side. Wait, I've missed. That create image, the create image with the data parameters has the temp image, since that version used to init an image with some data from the CPU side. Yeah, but I still create the image from the CPU side with this other one. Am I not? Oh wait, but actually I need to do this in 2 places. Because I do it here as well. Because isn't this the same thing? Wait, this is the wrong place. Here it's supposed to be. Hello, Null the Pointer. I'm doing good. How about you? Or I'm doing okay. We have a cool new person in the chat over at Twitch. I still haven't figured out how to do multi-chat. It's supposed to be down here, but I haven't figured it out yet on Linux. Alt read Tunks. Alt read Tunks. I don't know how to pronounce that. I hope it's alright. Who helped a little bit, and we got somewhat something better looking textures.
Guess who's back?
Yo, what's up, T-Shep?
Me?
Because you remember what I told you?
Well, you have told me a lot of things. You need to.
Your code window is smaller than your compile window.
Oops.
And
Yeah, bro, it's not. I don't know. This
it
ain't
looks like
ergonomic.
you're coding on phone. It's like
But
Yeah,
bro,
bring it, bro.
I need the resource and I need the error. I need both of them right now.
yeah, I guess.
Which spaces?
They have 2 create functions, one to just create an image and another to that also initializes from the data parameter. Yes, and that's, I think, the thing that's making me confused, and I should probably, like, I think it makes sense, right? But it's also like a little bit unclear. And I should probably make something that's, I don't know, man. Anyways, let's quickly see. I'm not gonna kill the thing, damn. Sig build run. Build run. Okay. Boom. Is this actually fine? It is fine, except for my rotations are still fucked. And I think some textures are not quite right yet, but it's way better. Oops, that was not what I meant to do. It's what I meant to do. Alright. You're close though, thank you. Wait, they have two, yeah, and the second one adds usage transfer destination so that whatever usage you provide. Debug matrices quaternion is always a pleasure. Yes, I think I needed to. I don't know how to debug them. I need something better than just looking at how it feels. I think I can still try to utilize the hot reloading and just tweak values by doing that. I then have to move the camera to being included in the hot reloading because right now it's not, because I don't want the camera's input directly to be in the renderer. That's why it's not included in the hot reloading. But it's fine. And also I don't have. I just added this new thing, so I don't even free everything. So hot reloading right now would be a bad idea. Yeah. I got shader system work on the first time. Nice. You're close though. Yeah. Oh wait, I read that already. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now, let's see. Build one more time. I just want to see. I don't wanna move it too much. Okay. Don't rotate. I should disable rotation so I could just move normally. Because there's like, I don't know what those yellow things are. Funny stuff. And then I don't know how to fix this rotation. I know. It's going. Bye. I mean, first try, huh? Not first time. Ah, okay. That's good. That's good. But yeah, still I'm not. There's a bit of the bit flags I still have to learn, which is like for the barriers first of all, but also these usage. Like here we have both usage for destination bit and usage transfer source. And I don't really understand, why would I want both source? Don't I just want to do one of? Don't I just want to transfer to the GPU? I don't want to is this sort like what? The field of view doesn't seem very correct. What's the value? No, wait. If I open the main real quick, that's not what I meant. There. And let's just disable the camera is actually being calculated in the main. It's not supposed to be here, but that's just for the moment I have to, right? Let's see, this is rotation here. So if I don't apply the, let's see, moved. The velocity. Trying to figure out multiply by the camera rotation, so I can just make the camera rotation to an identity matrix, and we should be fine. It shouldn't apply any rotation, right? That F32, you have to do identity, like so. And yeah, now it shouldn't do rotations, right? Because now no matter what I do to the camera, it will always just... Oh wait, it's still... What? How does this even work? That's okay, maybe I don't understand. What the fuck? Wait. Wait, what? I saved. I hate that I can minimize stuff. Wait. If I tell camera rotation to be, and then I multiply... Ah, wait, but I still have these. But camera is not... Oh, camera is taking into consideration over here. Right. But that shouldn't still take... That shouldn't... Position is plus equal... It shouldn't be able to rotate, that's just where the camera is looking. But then I update it based on these things. Okay, yeah. Okay, then it makes sense. Okay. But that's just the pitch still. That's a bit weird. I do this, I get the pitch and yaw, camera pitch is updated, and camera velocity, rotation, moved, multiple by camera rotation, but the camera rotation is just an identity. So it should just be direction 4, which then the position gets. Do I update? Okay. That's still weird. I will just say camera, yaw, equals 0. Camera pitch. Wait, this might now look the wrong. Well, whatever. It's weird, but then I'm gonna do that, so it doesn't even consider that. Okay. Yeah, okay, good. So that's just because it doesn't scale with the thing, okay? It's what happens if I stretch it to the other screen? Whoa. But yeah, now I cannot rotate. But at least it's I don't know what I'm supposed to say. At least it's not fucked, but it is fucked. Or am I actually supposed to not? Am I just like? Maybe it's supposed to work like this. I'm not just in a right spot in the map. Yeah, they told me to put myself in a good position actually in the thing. In the thing over here somewhere. Wait, they told me to put the camera in a good spot. In a really good spot, so you could actually see the thing from a good place. There, position this thing. So I could go into here, and there, and then here, instead of just giving it these values, I could just say, I probably shouldn't change this one. I should probably do it on the init in the render rather than this structure, because I don't want to manipulate that one. Let's see, camera there. Yeah, this one is more fine to change. Position is 30 minus, well, I don't know, make it any sense. Anyways, minus 0.85. Wow, that's a beautiful 0 right there. Okay. Or wait, how am I supposed to read? Brother, who writes floating points like these? Is it supposed to be? I think it's supposed to be like that. Right? X, Y, Z. Okay. Anyways. Let's see. Maybe if it's not, then this won't look. Huh. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look like. Or not supposed to look like. It's supposed to look good from here, but it doesn't. But it looks like something at least, you know. This is where I'm supposed to be standing. Supposed to be. Right? So it's something. There's like a staircase, or I don't really know what that is. But it's way better. I think it might be now just something with alignment. That's my guess. Going to a quick look. We got time. I need to go in 9 minutes, but it's fine. We can go into. We want to go to the GLTF mesh, which is, well, this thing. No, alignment should be fine. Note will be back big soon. Have to restart OBS. Okay, great. This was for time when I did the thing, but it's not there anymore. No? Okay. And this one is also, so it shouldn't be any alignment issues then. It should be fine. I don't get it.
Lucas.
Tell me.
You are cooked.
You know what it is?
Look.
Wait.
What?
I know what it is. I know. What the fuck am I doing? I know what it is. If
Do you
we
know?
yes, if we go to renderer, why the hell is it up? What the? I don't know what I did. Nobody asked questions. Okay. I know what the problem is. If we go to, for example, underscore white there. Okay. There was something where this information, you remember it, right? Where I have to flip it. I got the bits in reversed order, and that means the alpha, if it's supposed to be RGBA, right? I having them to be the, or I don't know. There was something that where it was just wrong. All right. And I think it might be the same issue still here also, that it is loading correctly, it's just putting the wrong bits in the wrong order. Or the bits in the right bits but in the wrong order. So I think that could be the case again. Oh, whoa, wait, look at what? Look at what?
My test server.
Oh, your test
My
server.
Discord test server.
Oh,
I can ping you.
Yeah, do that.
Damn, I want to see that. What did you cook? Damn, but why the other bot?
Because I can't register commands with the master Sigurd currently, so I am doing the old one, which has the fitting one. So, but yeah, Lucas, are you looking in the?
Yeah, okay. Harold is working on a Discord bot written in Sig.
Yes. And if I do global Gavgalab, we can. One sec. Okay.
Wait, Cheesecake
It's
says, Lucas, who is this code from? The color that's Sig, it's from Harold. Oh no, you added
What from?
you added the glove back. Oh no,
Yes, and it works.
Can I also use it?
It works, and it's fast. Yeah, sure.
Oh wow, it's actually pretty damn fast. Compared to the one we wrote in TypeScript.
Yeah, this one doesn't have any searching though. That's a bad thing though. But
yeah.
I mean, I won't implement that. I don't think. I don't have regex here.
Harold, did you write that with ChatGTP? The color that Sig or the AI bot? Only ChatGTP had inline for functions. You are not supposed to use it like this in the color.sig. I think Swaption usually have BGR8 format when you kind of expect RBGA, but not sure about the alpha being in another place. Do they actually usually have BGRA 8? Could it be? Do I need to change that? Because if that's the case, holy moly, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there's some rust, don't worry about that. You can just use whatever you swap chain you support shrug. Okay, wait. So if I go to swap chain, because okay, but isn't it just the format, right? Get surface format. Like if I go to definition here, and then no, because I'll ask for this one, right? Oh yeah, but this is also... I don't even give anything out here if it doesn't find it. Let's quickly do a tick. Because I asked for a RAG8B8 Alpha 8, right? sRGB. Wait, is this supposed to be sRGB? Am I doing that? Yeah. Let's do a panic here just to see if it finds it even. Or am I always using something weird? Heyo! Yeah. We'll panic. Okay, so it does find it. Heyo!
Yo, this is new clock. Yep, your command is so crazy.
But could it be... Could it then be the way I'm copying the information, that I'm copying it wrong? This thing. The way I'm doing mem copy. Should I do... Can I do it in reverse? Could I go like from here to
There's
zero?
backwards mem copy.
Can I do that?
Backwards mem copy.
STD mem backwards something copy.
There is? Okay, let's try that one real
Yeah.
quick. Instead of at mem copy, we do std dot mem. Is it mem copy? Copy backwards.
Backwards mem.
Copy all
Yeah,
of
copy
the
backwards, yeah.
this. Okay, let's and it has the same as the normal mem copy or the at mem copy. What's the difference
Basically,
between
yeah, but you
what's-
gotta specify the type.
what's the difference between using the std and the at?
The at is built in and can use like hardware thingy, but the copy backwards is like just a for loop, you know.
Oh wait, T-Chef is spamming. Sorry guys, I did read. T-Chef, cheesecake. What did I say? Help. Compiler knows better when the move inline from everything it's uses. Rust jump scare. Destroy all formats until it works. These are deprecated. These are deprecated. Lucas, it's same as mem move. Lucas. But I need to use that mem copy. U8.
Guys, I don't know what Lucas is doing. I'm just helping him accomplish his terrible goals that I barely know what they are.
I don't know
So,
what they are either. It works at
I
least.
am not
Let's see.
responsible.
Let's do the backwards one. Now everything's gonna look and it looks as bad as ever. Maybe I need to do the forwards copy. Maybe it's not even a problem. Maybe I'm just stupid. That could also be a possibility. I don't know. I think it's more red than before. Mem move is same as mem copy. Instead, it has bounce check. No, but I need something that copies in reverse. Like it takes the thing and then it does, you know, wapa. You know, that's what I need. Maybe it's not even the problem, right? Maybe. Oh my god, this is taking longer than I expected. Maybe it's just that I'm actually just not passing in the right data. Why do you think it would fix that? Because I think I have swapped the places. No. I still need to copy from source to destination. I still need to take this to there, but I need to take it from here and then swap it like that, you know, and put it there. But anyways, I should be ending now.
Bro, you gotta watch a Gabriela video.
Go get
You know.
compromises.
No, we're not
I don't know.
crazy.
Yeah, sure.
We'll fix
Yeah.
this tomorrow. I think probably just continue also with the tutorial might even be it. But all right, that it will. I will end it here. Thank you everybody for joining. 45 frames dropped. Great. Bye and see you tomorrow. Harold hit it.